Hey friends, are you so excited to learn Kotlin? So at first you have to type your code. So for this you will install the IntelliJ IDE, but before install the IntelliJ IDE I will use the online coding editor. So at first just go to Google and now here just type play Kotlin. So here just search for play Kotlin and this is the first link play.kotlang.org. Just click on it and you will see this page. Here you can type your code in online. So this is the fun. It is a keyword and main is the function. In Kotlin language, every code you have to type inside the main function. Actually, main function will execute your code. So this is a print statement. So don't worry about that. We will discuss it more details in later. So actually this is the function and the function is main function will execute our code and here is a print statement and we now want to print hello world obviously. So just type this and run the code and you can see here hello world has been printed. So here now I just print here the learning club and now just run it and you can see here the learning club has been printed. So here I use print statement instead of print lane. So now I just run it. You can see also here the learning club. So what is the main difference to print ln and print statement? So it will discuss it later friends, but now this is the syntax. And friends, remember that main function will execute your Kotlin code. Everything inside this main function will be executed. If you type any code outside the main function will not be executed, but you will create class outside the function and then you use this class inside the main function, then it will execute it. We will discuss it more details in later. So at first this is the syntax of the function and you have to use the main function. Your code will execute it inside the main function. So friends, now you learn about Kotlin syntax, about function. Here you can see this is a function and this is a main function. You type println or print statement for hello world and fun is the keyword used for define the function. Every code will execute inside the main function. I already have been said. So friends, this is the details about the main function. Main function is something you will see in every Kotlin program. As I said before, this function is used to execute the code and functions curly bracket will be executed. So friends, what is the parameter? In mathematics, you have to define the function f of xy. Xy is the parameter and actually this is same here and this is your function name main and inside the first bracket whatever you use this will be a parameter. Okay friends, this is the parameter and here in the mathematics f of xy equal x plus y, here xy is the parameter. This is very similar. Friends, nowadays you don't have to type this args array string for executing the main function. This will no longer required and the program will run fine without it. Okay friends, so see you in next video.